Hello, and welcome to our video on home remedies for hiccups. Hiccups are a common and often harmless condition, but they can be annoying and uncomfortable. In this video, we'll be sharing some of the simplest and best home remedies for hiccups that you can try at home. Let's start with the first remedy. Hold your breath. Holding your breath is one of the most popular and effective ways to stop hiccups. This technique helps to reset the diaphragm muscle and stop the spasms that cause hiccups. To do this, take a deep breath and hold it for as long as you can. Exhale slowly and repeat the process several times until your hiccups stop. Next remedy, drink water. Drinking water is another simple and effective remedy for hiccups. This can help to relax the muscles in your throat and reduce irritation that causes hiccups. Drinking cold water while maintaining uncomfortable body positions, such as bending over and drinking water from opposite side of the glass, may distract your brain from the hiccups. Moving to next remedy, swallowing granulated sugar. Swallowing a spoonful of granulated sugar is another popular remedy that can help stop hiccups. Sugar can stimulate the vagus nerve in the brain, which helps to regulate the spasms that cause hiccups. To do this, take a spoonful of sugar and swallow it without chewing it. This will help in reducing the hiccups. Moving forward to next remedy, breathe into a paper bag. Breathing into a paper bag can help to increase carbon dioxide levels in the bloodstream and relax the muscles, which can stop hiccups. To do this, hold the paper bag in front of your mouth, with the sides against your cheeks. Then, slowly inhale and exhale into the bag, so it inflates and deflates. This will make your body relax and eventually reduce hiccups. And the final remedy, pull your knees to your chest. Pulling your knees to your chest can help compress your diaphragm muscles and stop the spasms that cause hiccups. To do this, sit on a chair or lie down on your back and bring your knees towards your chest. Hold this position for a few seconds and then release. Do this couple of times and you will see the difference. In conclusion, hiccups can be an annoying and uncomfortable condition, but there are several simple and effective remedies that you can try at home. From holding your breath to drinking water and swallowing granulated sugar, these remedies can help stop hiccups fast. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you found it helpful and informative. Please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, be hiccup-free.